Morning, everybody. I just wanted to take a minute and discuss a personal injury case with you and some issues we're having with it. We have recently worked on a case involving a vehicle collision where our client was hurt really bad. She had to be a load and go from the scene, and during the load and go, of course, the paramedics and EMTs are doing whatever they have to do to stabilize our client. And during that time, they're asking her questions about her medical history and about any kind of alcohol and drug use. Um, our client, because of her condition, doesn't remember being asked any questions regarding that. However, the EMTs noted in their records that our client responded affirmatively to marijuana use, which was absolutely false. The lady has never used marijuana a day in her life. She adamantly admits that yes, she uses alcohol, but not marijuana. And as a result, it's really muddied the water for the legal team trying to resolve her case and get her, a settlement for her injuries and her loss. Um, the EMTs, unfortunately reported the same thing to the emergency room personnel, the trauma personnel. And as a result, it's now made it into her permanent medical record that she uses marijuana. We have tried through multiple different avenues to get this removed. I was personally put in charge of trying to get this removed. We have written letters to the hospital administration, the medical records director, and we are short right now, simply filing a complaint with the Composite Medical Board here in Georgia because it's just completely inaccurate. Now, we've got witnesses to back that up. So, long story short is this: if you've got a personal injury case that you're working on, please just make sure that the medical records are correct before you get this far down the road, and then you realize that hey, we've got a problem that really shouldn't even be a problem. It's cost the legal team probably an extra 6 months in time of just dealing with this issue alone, so they can get the correct settlement needed to resolve this woman's injuries and her medical bills and just her total loss. So anyhow, just remember to check the medical records, make sure everything is in there is correct. I know a lot of times as investigators that's not our job, but this time it's become mine, and the bureaucracy involved and even being able to talk to a medical records director, it, at least here in our home area, is ridiculous. So just remember to check that. Thanks a lot.